How to change Fashion Nova shipping address. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process to change Fashion Nova shipping address. I hope for a subscribe and a like if this tutorial helped you. Now let's get started. Firstly, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.fashionnova.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fashion Nova. Here, make sure you are logged in and now tap on your profile icon. You will see the option for My Info. Tap on that, scroll down and under Address, tap on the Add New option in order to add a new address. Now go ahead and fill in your address details very carefully, as this step is really important. Once you are done entering the required details, tap on the Add Address button. And also, if you want to make this address your default address, then select the Set as Default option. And this is how you can change Fashion Nova shipping address. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.